Well, it's about 20 past 7 and sun's gone down. Yeah, the Jonathan Wolfett, the movies, starts at 7 and it's literally 2 songs in and I'm going to bed. I'm going to sleep. It's a case of, he only replays the same shit. I mean, yeah, it's enjoyable, but not for the 100th fucking time in a row. Because all they ever play is Jewish music. Jewish made music. Jewish composed music. Yeah, I'm actually using a torch on my lighter. Which is, that is a bit bright. Having it facing away from me, it's still bright enough to see what I'm doing. I'm just slightly worried about running it down because of my lighter. But, yeah. I had this like fight with the hammock just now. Trying to, for some reason it didn't want to fit properly. I don't know why. But the setup is brilliant. It's horrendously windy out there. And there's not much wind getting through. There's a little bit now and again. And if I reach right up here, I can feel a slight breeze somewhere over there. Just a little bit. Which is brilliant. But I've got my oven ready. Tin foil hat blankie. And that keeps out all the wind. It's not very thick, it's quite thin. And I can feel it starting to get compressed in places. But then I tend to snuggle up in it. Yeah, little things to consider when you're in the hammock. Try and keep it just for certain things, not for all your stuff, like boots and things. Have them hung up in a bag on your line. That way you're putting strain on your line, not on your hammock. I mean, just having my shirt and jumper rolled up in the hammock, when I laid on it, the whole bloody thing deformed. The hammock, it was ridiculous. And yeah, also remember, don't have anything scratchy like jagged nails because they can lather your hammock tights. Your hammock is basically a giant pair of tights. So you have to make sure you haven't got jagged nails and that kind of stuff. I do have other things that could hold this up by attaching it to there, like that. I've got these little magnet hook things, which I've never used for this. It's when you've got to carry everything on your back and you've got knackered hips and stuff, you count every little gram you've got to carry. But yeah, I like this setup. I can see out there what's happening in that direction. I can see out that end what's happening in that direction. I can look over that side, down there, and see what's happening down that direction. It's not a paranoia thing, it's just an instinctive thing where you want to have the ability to see what's going on around you. That's why I do miss the polyplastic in some ways, because I can see right through it. But yeah, bit more drinkies. So far, I've not finished or run out of my homemade spirits when I come out. It's not a massive hip flask, it's only like a little hip flask. Well, it's a hip flask, you know. They measure it in ounces for some bloody reason. It's about 300 ml, I think, that hip flask. And the most I've gotten through so far is halfway. Because I'm not like guzzling it. So yeah. Night night. Bye bye night time.